Good morning, student. Today will we start new lesson, chapter number 1. First of all, introduction to data structure. Here, data structure introduction. First, define data structure. Data structure is a logical and mathematical view of any organization data. For example, we have data players name Virat, double quote include and age 26. Here double quote Virat is of string data type and 26 of integer data type. We can say that we can organize this data as record. Record means collection of field. Now we can collect and store players record in a file or database. Collection of file, it's called a database. As a data structure, for example, Dhoni 30, Gambhir 31. It means double quote includes Dhoni as a string data type 30 and integer data type. Gambhir, Sehwag and 33. Next topic, classification of data structure. Here there are different type of data structure. These are as follow in this diagram. Here data structure. There are two types of data structure. First, simple data structure. Second, compound data structure. Here next, simple data structure there are two types category. First, array. Second, structure. Next, compound data structure. There are two types of compound data structure. First, linear data structure and second, non-linear data structure. Here linear data structure there are three types of data structure. First, stack. Second, queue and third, linked list. Then non-linear data type there are two type categories. First, tree and second, graph. Here next topic is simple data structure. Simple data structure means there are normally built from primitive data type like integers, real, characters and Boolean data type. There are two types of simple data type structure. First, array. Second, structure. Next, second, compound data structure defined will be as a simple data structure can be combined in various ways to from more complex structure. It's called compound data structure. For example, first, linear data structure. Second, non-linear data structure. Linear compound data structure there are three categories divided into compound data structure. First, stack. Second, queue or third, linked list. In this next, compound data structure are non-linear data structure. There are two types of non-linear data structure. First, tree. Second, graph. Here we can say that data type and string data type there are in data structure. Data structure, collection of files, more than collection of file file, collection of records, collection of field, it's called a record. Then here data structure will be studied daily. Okay, thank you.